One purport later, verse 16, Prabhupada says that the Lord bestows His mercy upon His devotee by helping him find out his constitutional position. For that purpose, the Lord is always ready to help the devotee in every way. So the context here of the one meaning is of Prabhupada's purport is that material opulence and position was a problem, an obstacle for the free flow and movement of Bali Maharaj's devotion towards Vishnu. He was attached to being sitting in Indra's post. So to favor him and restore him to his position, constitutional position, Jivara Sarupaya Krsna Radharani, as Krishna's eternal servant, Lord Vamanadev took away all that wealth and position. But in an inner meaning of this word, this verse, we could apply this to Raganuga Bhakti, that our constitutional position means our sthayi bhav, and Krishna will help in every way.